Mark from Mark Alexander Design. This is the process. We draw the full scale pattern first, and when that's done, this is the result. It can have any colour, any shape, any style. This is the process. It's a foolproof process, and we can proportion things unlike anybody else in the industry. Many years experience. Look at that magnificent piece of furniture. Cheers. Thank you. But I just wanted to show you how, if you have a look at this screen here, this rounded part here connects back to here. So I would round that on just briefly on the outside, still stretch it out. It's drawn like different angles, so it's just to give you a rough idea, but definitely curve the front, soften the front here, get a little bit more rounded feature so it reconnects to this area here, and we'll get that shape into the, so it's just sort of all matching. The other thing I do is this particular part here, you've got black down here, so I would black all this out as per the stairs. So this section here would be all black. Excuse this, I'm drawing all over it, but that's black. I would make this section here the gold, so that relates back to this part here, and have this part here matching to the stairs, and this all timber work here on the top, I would be matching the handrail. So I might need to come to your house if you go ahead and fine tune it all, but it's definitely a magnificent house. Mark from Mark Alexander Design. Thank you. Mark from Mark Alexander Design. In regard to, this is the drawn out version of your Art Deco hoop base table. You can see the shapes are nicely balanced now. We've got that nicely curved and proportioned and balanced. This is also the shape in regard to going around here. It's a nice shape. I think it matches very elegant into this. This will make up very nicely. Done all the work in this, so I think it's ready for manufacture now. This is the frontal elevation, that's in the top. This is the side elevation. It's nicely proportioned out. Now it mightn't mean too much to you, but you can see here where we've got it sort of balanced out to that. So this base comes down to here, just in top, in regard to the circumference. It comes up here as well. So it's looking great. I know it's pretty hard for you. It doesn't look at the drawings all the time, but yeah, it's certainly worked out. It's a nice piece. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Mark from Mark Alexander Design.